So for probably the last time, with this car at least, this is a cold start on an Abarth 595 Competizione. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the Abarth 595 Competizione that Abarth UK have lent me for 2 weeks. This is actually the last full day I've got with it. As you can see by the title of the video, this exact car is not the focus of what I'm trying to film today. This is actually take 2 of me trying to film this video, because last weekend I went with London's Abarths into central London to take some pictures with this car and the 695 Rivale that they have, and we got distracted in the end, and in Regent's Park bumped into an Aston Martin meet. Even though I didn't really end up filming what I wanted to film, Aston Martins do sound very good. This time it is actually happening. I'm heading there now, so I will catch up with you. Sounds so good. In a bit. Okay, so I've made it to the dealership, and already outside I've seen a number of different Abarths and different specs that I want to show you. But before I get distracted, I'm going to jump straight in and show you the adrenaline green? The green Abarth that the thumbnail is all about, because this is one of the most vibrant colours that they offer in the new updated range. So this is the car that I've come here to show you guys. It is the updated Abarth 595 Competizione. Now I know nothing really has changed styling wise, it's just a few small cosmetic and audible tweaks. I'll get onto that in a second. But first thing I've already noticed, other than obviously the entire car is finished in adrenaline green, which is a new option, this front lip is now available in full carbon fibre. I don't know if you can see that, but I mean, the customization options that they offer on these small cars is one of the reasons I really like it. I wouldn't pay attention to that, that's actually wrong. This is carbon fibre as well. It was originally on the previous 595. It's just not spec'd on the one that Abarth UK have given me. Now the wheels, these are the 17-inch Super Sport alloys that I kind of mentioned in my first video saying I had a preference. These are the ones I would prefer, and if I was to buy my own, this would be the one that it's spec'd with. Now coming around to the back, there isn't much to report back here actually, other than obviously you can see the split contrast on the roof, and the main event, which is what I wanted to really come here and talk about, was the Monza exhaust. It's a dual mode exhaust, so now it's Valvetronic, operated with the sport system on the inside of the car, which is so much more usable in my opinion, because these cars are obnoxiously loud. You won't realise it until you live with it for a bit, but they're loud. That's not a problem, but it's just nice to be able to switch it off now and then. Coming into the interior now, things I want to mention. One, seats in this, not for me. I would definitely go for the sportier seatbelts that I've got the car with at the moment. This kick plate is actually available in carbon fibre as well, but it's not on this car. And if I just step inside, I mean, the options that they've spec'd into this car completely transform it. Carbon fibre everywhere. One thing to note, that very important. I knew I'd forgotten something with this car. Another thing that's updated on these ones is the seat belts. You can actually have customization and choose different colors as opposed to black. Why it's red on green with yellow, I'm not too sure, but I'm guessing it's just because it's a demo and they want to show off all of the options available. To anyone actually speccing one, just don't. So now the part where I get distracted a little bit with the other cars and the other specs available. So this was previously what was available before carbon fibre was introduced. You could just have a kind of contrasted paint, which I like. I would definitely consider that, because I'm guessing that's quite an expensive option on that one. Now these seats are actually something I really want to talk about. What do you think of the colour, and what do you think of the finish on these seatbelt buckets in a kind of beige and black finish? I think they're honestly the nicest thing I've seen on the Abarths. It really goes well with the black as well. I'm not sure about how it goes with the red though. to other cars here. I think these are standard 595s or just Abarths in general. This is a standard 595 Turismo. This, I believe, is a special edition. I don't know anything about it. It's got a kind of satin pearlescent looking paint in white, chrome on the mirrors, and inside, I mean, look at this. It's very bold. Thoughts? I'm not sure about it. And then you got red pinstriping around the wheels. Now this brings back memories. I was lucky enough to spend a week with one of these. I love them. I think they're very cool. That's another 124 Spider, but the car I want to show you, I haven't actually seen before either, is a 124 GT. Now I'm going to go straight to the roof because that's the main talking point. This is a fixed carbon fiber roof. It can be removed, but it must be stored somewhere. And obviously, like all 124s, in the back you can see there is the retractable soft top roof as well. So you get the best of both worlds. So long story short, the customization options have increased even more, and it makes the car even more fun to actually mess with and modify, which I think is very important in a small hot hatch. So I know it was a very talky video, but I thought it was good to kind of just showcase the small tweaks that are being made, which keep the Abarth 595 range just looking as good as it did when it first came out. Anyway, I've talked enough, so I'm going to end the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.